Good day, moms. So today I will create a short video on how demonstration of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Okay, let's start. First is open the MS Excel. Next is click the blank workbook. And then let's start to make our activities. First, adjust the column and cells. After that is highlight the all box and click the all borders. Then after that, ready for typings. I type date. Then next is description. Then next is category. Sorry for that blurred video. And thus next is amount. And last which is total. Then highlight lang po natin. Tapos magmili po tayo ng color na gusto nyo. I choose color dark blue. So yan na po ang result. Dark blue. Then sorry for that blurred video po. Please considering po. Thank you. Then, yan. Yan na po yung result. Then, after that is, pagkatapos nyan, nag-type po ako ng ilalagay ko dyan sa mga borders na yan. Kayo na po ang bahala. Ano ang gusto nyong ilagay dyan. Basta base po is may total number po siya mamaya. Then, I started typing also dito po sa baba. After typing, let's get started how to solve and get the total number. First, type the sum, then click the open parentheses, then click the first number, then plus. After the plus, click the another number until it's done, then close parentheses. So, it's a same process, no? Pag mada na po siya, i-click na po natin yan, close parentheses, then click the enter. Yan na po ang result. Then, go to insert and find the pie or donut chart. Go to files at hanapin ang export. Then, create PDF document. Tapos, lagyan ng week 5 or kahit ano sa in-name mo sa iyong ginawa. Then after that, save as. That's all po. Thank you for listening.